Alright guys, thank you for tuning in to another episode of the MyRc Live Comparison Series for the TT02 chassis comparison. We're going to be making this TT02 Zakspeed Capri Turbo Duke stuff. We're going to install the servo, the receiver, the ESC in this episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the episodes of this TT02 comparison series. Today, we're going to take this TT02 chassis that I assembled for the Zakspeed Capri Turbo body from Tamiya. This is assembled kit stock, and today we're going to go from shower to goer. We of course are going to be using the stock torque tuned motor that came with this bad boy, the included ESC from Tamiya, most expensive steering servo. This is an Injora servo. Injora, I don't know how to say it. This little blue guy, the $18 special that you get on Amazon. And I'm going to be using this Spektrum receiver. I'm going to be using that because I have an SLT3 transmitter that I'll be able to use with that, or I'll be able to use my super fancy Spektrum transmitter. Alright guys, let's get started on this. First things first, that's cool. On this kit, the splines come to the right hand side of the car. Alright, so we got the mounts on the servo. I'm gonna mount that. The chassis, that is these two screws. Don't go crazy torquing them down. So that and that. Alright. Okay. Alright. I like to use this 3M double-sided tape on a roll. You guys can use whatever you want. There. There's plenty of room there. It should just be an easy plug there, plug there. I'm just gonna stick the receiver right on the servo. This is gonna be a race car after all, so I'm gonna cheat. I have dug out my soldering stuff here. I'm gonna clip it off right there. Solder this plug. Whoa. Right. There's one. Alright. And then we'll tug test. They are good. So when you hook up your stuffs, you want to turn to the burn. Sharp scissors. Oop. Just like that. Remember, with an antenna tube holder, the wire goes in through the bottom, and they always leave you a little notch to put the wire through so it doesn't pinch you. Alright, so just run the wire through and then remount it. little void down there. I think we're gonna fold it up down there and zip tie it and stick it down there. Roll her and trim. And don't accidentally cut your wires when you're trimming the zip ties. Alright, here's what I like to do. I like to take the excess and use this antenna tube, wrap it around like this. Give it the old school foam board treatment there, like so. Generally, they hold their shape pretty well. Alright, just like that. The wiring is all done. Alright. The binding process is as simple as throwing your battery in, turning the VSC on, pressing the bind button, pressing the bind button, pressing the bind button, whatever. I have to press it. Alright. Holding the bind button while you're turning the ESC on, and then pressing again bind after creating a new model inside your transmitter or powering up whatever transmitter you're using and starting its bind process. Now I just need to put the servo horn on. I'm going to use this fancy aluminum servo horn that came with a servo. I think I'm going to have to dig out a longer screw here in a second. This guy here does have a pinch screw, so I'm going to have to put that in Loctite. Just a dribble. You want to be able to take that out later. I'm not going to pinch that tight because I still need to find center on this servo for this car. Alright. This screw will probably live there for a while, so I'm going to go ahead and Loctite on this guy. Right there. A healthy amount of Loctite. I applied it to the servo horn because I don't want it all up in that plastic wall here. Okay. There you have it. Don't forget to set your endpoints. And here you can see it's stressing that out. It's stressing that. That's a good way to burn out servo and to wear out all your ball cups and stuff. Alright, well that went from shower to goer with this TT02 chassis kit. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment anyways. Stuff you didn't like, that you did like, whether it was useful or not. And like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, get notifications. Leave a comment, let me know what you're working on, what you like to work on, and maybe where you're from, what track you run on, and what you guys personally do to these cars to make them run faster at your local track. Alright guys, have a good weekend. Peace.